discover a charming home on a spacious lot. As you step inside from the inviting covered porch, you'll be greeted by an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings in the spacious, great room.Experience open living at its finest, with a dining room, living room, and kitchen seamlessly connected. The kitchen shines with a center island and pantry, creating a focal point for culinary creativity. Access to the backyard and patio from the dining area allows for seamless indoor-outdoor living. This cozy home offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, providing the perfect